How to delete Google account from Android account removal steps. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that we will simply go to settings in our Android phone. So I'll simply click on settings. Once we click on settings, here you guys can see the type of interface. So we will simply go to down, and down you guys can see about device, user accounts, Google help, feedback. So simply click on user accounts. Once we click on user accounts, here you guys can see multiple user, your phone name. Also you guys can see automatically sign app data, and after that you guys can see Facebook, Google and other things. So simply click on Google. Once we click on Google, here you guys can see all your Google accounts. So for example, you want to remove your any Google account, like for example I want to remove the first one, so I'll simply click on that. Now here you guys will see on top right corner three dots, so simply click on that. Once we click on that, here you guys can see sign now remove account. Simply click on remove account. Once we click on remove account, here you guys can see remove account cancel. So once you click on remove account, that's it, your Google account will be removed from your Android mobile. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.